In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set deadlines for tasks in Monday.com, fast and easy. If you're looking to get organized and stay on top of your tasks, setting deadlines is a crucial skill, and we're going to make sure you know exactly how to do it. Let's dive right in. To begin with, make sure your board has a date column. This is the fundamental step, because the date column is where we're going to assign our deadlines. If you're not sure if your board has a date column, simply scan across the top row of your task table. You should see various column types, such as text, people, and numbers. If you don't see one labeled as date, you'll need to add it. You can do this by clicking the plus icon at the top right corner of your board. Choose the date option from the drop-down list. And there you go. You're all set to begin adding deadlines to your tasks. Now let's move on to the next part. Click the date field on any task. This is a straightforward action. All you need to do is find the task for which you want to set a deadline. Beside that task, in the date column, you'll see a little calendar icon. Click on it, and this will pop up the calendar interface. This tool makes it visually simple to select and assign a deadline, ensuring you don't mistakenly set your deadline to a time that's unreasonable for your task's needs. With the calendar now open, go ahead and pick a deadline from the calendar. As you decide on a date, consider the task's priority and the estimated time needed to complete it. Once you've chosen an appropriate deadline, simply click on the date within the calendar. The date will automatically be applied to your task, and you'll see the chosen deadline in the date column. Next, let's talk about how to keep track of these deadlines effectively. Use filters or automations to highlight overdue tasks. Once you've set deadlines, managing them efficiently is crucial. Monday.com offers powerful filters and automation options. You can set up filters to view only those tasks that are overdue or close to their deadlines, helping you focus your attention where it's needed most. Additionally, you can create automations to send reminders or notifications when a task is nearing its deadline or is overdue. This way, the system aids you in staying on top of things without needing to manually check each deadline. And there you have it. Setting deadlines in Monday.com is as simple as ensuring you've got a date column, selecting a task's deadline from the calendar, and then managing these deadlines using filters and automations. With these steps, you'll be on your way to more efficiently managing your tasks and projects. Remember, the key to success is consistent tracking and adapting your schedules as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.